It's early morning. The alarm clock drags you out of bed. No time for breakfast. You throw on your clothes and rush out the door. The streets are as chaotic as ever. Car horns, engine noise, the inevitable morning rush. We've all been there, right? Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. Instead of getting stuck in traffic, you step into your personal flying car parked right outside your home. You turn it on, press a button, and the vehicle silently lifts off the ground. The noise of the city fades away as you ascend, leaving behind the gridlock and chaos. Below you, the streets shrink, and ahead lies the vast freedom of the sky. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? A scene straight out of a sci-fi movie, maybe. But here's the catch. This future isn't as far off as you might think. The technology for personal flying cars is closer than ever to becoming a reality. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of flying cars, how they work, where they're being used, and how they could reshape our lives. Of course, every dream comes with its hurdles, high costs, safety concerns, and a society that might not be ready to embrace the concept just yet. So buckle up because we're taking off into the future. Let's get started. So let's get into the magic. How exactly do flying cars work? At first glance, it may seem simple. We've had airplanes and helicopters for decades, but flying cars are different. They combine the best features of both and introduce groundbreaking new technology. Let's break it down into 3 key elements. Vertical takeoff and landing. Perhaps the most impressive feature of flying cars is VTOL. This technology allows them to take off and land vertically without the need for a long runway. Imagine lifting off from a parking lot, a backyard, or even the roof of a building. VTOL makes these vehicles incredibly practical, especially in crowded urban areas. Picture an apartment complex with a flying car station on the roof. All you need to do is take the elevator up, step into your car, and fly away. Electric motors. Another critical component is the use of electric motors. Not only do these make flying cars environmentally friendly, but they also make them remarkably quiet. Compare it to the loud roar of a helicopter. Flying cars are as quiet as a whisper. However, there's a catch. Current battery technology significantly limits their flight time. Most models today can only fly for 30 to 50 minutes. While this is fine for short trips, long-distance travel remains a challenge. But researchers are working hard to improve battery capacity and extend flight duration. Autonomous flight systems. And here's the most exciting part, autonomy. Flying cars are designed to operate entirely autonomously. What does that mean? It means you don't need to be a pilot. Equipped with GPS, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensors, these vehicles ensure a safe and efficient journey. But like any technology, there are risks. What happens if the GPS signal fails, or if the system makes an error? Coordinating multiple flying cars in a shared airspace is a challenge engineers are actively tackling. These 3 technologies form the backbone of flying cars. But here's the thing, creating a system that's simple enough for everyone to use, yet 100% safe is the ultimate challenge for engineers. So you might be wondering, are these vehicles real or are we still talking about theory? The surprising answer is, they're already here. Flying cars are being tested in various sectors, giving us a glimpse of what the future could look like. Let's take a closer look at how they're being used. Urban transport. Dubai is leading the way when it comes to testing the concept of flying taxis. Companies like Volocopter have developed fully electric VTOL flying taxis. Imagine opening an app, calling a flying taxi, and reaching the other side of the city in just minutes. No traffic, no delays. Currently, this service is in the prototype stage and limited to specific routes, but the goal is to make it widely available within the next few years. Emergency medical services. In Germany, a pilot project has demonstrated how flying cars could revolutionize healthcare. They've been used to transport organs for transplants quickly and efficiently. Imagine delivering critical medical supplies or equipment to remote areas in minutes. This technology has the potential to save countless lives. Tourism and entertainment. Flying cars are also making waves in the tourism industry. In cities like Singapore and Dubai, tourists can take breathtaking aerial tours of the city. Instead of walking or taking a bus, imagine flying over landmarks and experiencing a city like never before. Flying cars aren't just about transportation, they're about creating unforgettable experiences. These use cases are impressive, but let's not forget, they're still in the testing phase. And right now, flying cars are an exclusive luxury available only to the wealthy, but who knows? One day they might become as common as cars on the road. Have you ever wondered how flying cars could transform our lives? Let's explore some of the incredible benefits this technology offers. Escape from traffic. For city dwellers, traffic is a daily nightmare. Flying cars could eliminate this problem altogether. No more waiting at red lights or being stuck in gridlock. Just press a button, take off, and reach your destination faster than ever. Eco-friendly technology. Traditional vehicles are major contributors to carbon emissions. Electric flying cars, on the other hand, promise to be environmentally friendly. They produce zero emissions and are much quieter, reducing noise pollution in urban areas. Speed and efficiency. Flying cars are game changers for emergencies. Imagine a medical drone delivering supplies to a disaster zone in minutes, or a flying ambulance bypassing traffic to save a life. Their potential in logistics and healthcare is truly revolutionary. The advantages flying cars could bring to our lives are undeniably exciting, but this technology faces significant challenges that must be overcome. Like every major innovation, the widespread adoption of flying cars comes with its hurdles. Let's break down the biggest obstacles. Cost. If you wanted to buy a flying car today, you'd have to shell out millions of dollars. And it's not just the purchase price. Maintenance and infrastructure for these vehicles are also incredibly expensive. So how can we make this technology affordable for everyone? Experts believe that mass production and advancements in technology could drive costs down over time. However, this process will require substantial investments and could take years, if not decades. Safety. Even today, airplane and helicopter accidents spark concern, so the idea of everyone using flying cars brings serious safety risks. Autonomous systems may appear reliable, but no technology is completely foolproof. What happens if there's a software malfunction? Or if weather conditions suddenly take a turn for the worse. Additionally, managing air traffic will require entirely new systems. While the sky seems less crowded than the ground, coordinating a large number of flying vehicles is a far more complex challenge than we might think. Public acceptance. The development of technology isn't just about engineering breakthroughs, it also depends on people's willingness to embrace it. And for many, flying cars are still a daunting concept. For instance, trusting autonomous systems isn't easy for everyone. And would people really want to live in a world where vehicles are constantly flying overhead? Concerns about noise, privacy, and safety are some of the key societal barriers holding back this technology. When you consider these challenges, it's clear that flying cars won't become mainstream overnight. But like every great revolution, these obstacles can be overcome with time, effort, and innovation. So what does the future hold once these challenges are addressed? Experts predict that in the next 20 years, flying cars could become an integral part of our daily lives. Let's imagine this exciting future for a moment. Everyday life. Picture waking up in the morning and calling a flying car to take your child to school. The vehicle picks you up right outside your home and drops your child off on the school rooftop in just a few minutes. Then you take another flying car to work, bypassing traffic entirely. Hours spent stuck in congestion become a thing of the past, and life becomes faster and easier. Sky cities. In the future, we might not only see flying cars in the sky, but entire floating cities. Scientific research is already exploring this concept. Projects include sky stations, charging hubs for flying cars, and even airborne living spaces. A new era in aviation. The widespread use of flying cars could transform the current aviation industry. Imagine a world where you no longer need to drive to the airport or go through lengthy security checks. Instead, you can start your personal flight right from your front door. This wouldn't just make travel more convenient, it could also revolutionize logistics and commerce. But for this vision to become a reality, we'll need massive investments, robust infrastructure, and societal acceptance. The question is, are we ready for the sky? The answer lies in the years ahead. Personal flying cars represent more than just a revolution in transportation. They are a testament to humanity's ability to turn imagination into reality. But to make this dream come true, we need to take the right steps forward. In the future, the sky won't belong solely to planes and birds. Flying cars invite us into a brand new world above the ground. However, to be part of this vision, we must embrace the technology and the change it brings. Personal flying cars represent more than just a revolution in transportation. They are a testament to humanity's ability to turn imagination into reality. But to make this dream come true, we need to take the right steps forward. In the future, the sky won't belong solely to planes and birds. Flying cars invite us into a brand new world above the ground. However, to be part of this vision, we must embrace the technology and the change it brings.